Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm going to be showing you this new unit from Outre. It's from their Perfect Hairline collection. This one is in the style Julianne and I have it in the color DR2/chocolate swirl. I'm very into dark deep chocolate colors nowadays, so I'm loving this color so far. Taking it out of the packaging. It looks really nice. It claims that it has the transparent HD lace and then it has the baby hairs included. It is heat resistant fiber texture hair and then it is safe up to 400 degrees for you to use your flat iron on or your hot comb. This has a 13x6 lace frontal and it's a fully hand tied lace wig. This unit comes in other colors if you aren't interested in the chocolate. They do have honey blonde, honey brown, ginger brown, red velvet, and of course your 1B, 1 and 2 option as well. On the stock card, they do give you information on how to apply your unit as well as a care guide for putting this unit on. The packaging also of this unit is super nice. It's a very good quality. They take very good care of their Perfect Hairline units. They are always boxed in this really nice boxed packaging. I like that the inside of the box has a lot of information as well as how to prepare, take care of, and put your wig on as well. So let's jump into the details of this unit. Loving the hairline so far. The hairline turned out really nice after I did get the unit applied. I did struggle a little bit with baby hairs. Baby hairs are just always a struggle of mine in general, so yeah, I did struggle with that just a tad bit. What I'm going to show you guys today though is the center part and the left part of this unit. I am not going to do the braided top just because I don't braid that well, so I'm sorry you guys if you were interested in seeing that today. I will not be able to show you simply because I do not know how to braid, but I will show you the center part and left part, so stay tuned for that. I will say that the unit, first it came off as big head friendly, but once I put it on, I was definitely super duper struggling with keeping basically the points towards my ear. The sides towards my ear were very difficult to keep tamed down as well as just stay in that spot. And I do have my hair braided flat, so it wasn't like my hair constricting the wig of being able to stay in one spot. I really just think that the unit personally for me just doesn't fit my big old head. Nonetheless, I was able to finesse it and lie the baby hairs down like I would like to. I did have to go off camera just a tad bit to do the baby hairs just to make sure they turned out how I wanted them to, because I was just struggling a little bit with it, like I said. But other than that, it's still super easy to work with. I did add some powder to the lace, so I will say that the hairline, it blended, but it still needed that powder, if that makes any sense. The powder definitely took it to the top for me. Putting the powder on there definitely made the lace blend into my skin a lot better. I know that it says that it's transparent lace, but it didn't blend into my skin as well as I wanted it to. I did have a little bit of a white cast, which is why you'll see me put the powder on my head. Now I will say though that I don't think the unit requires any plucking. I do like how the hairline is. It definitely has a natural hairline for me that I don't feel the need to pluck it any more than what it is. However, if you want to, it can be plugged in as well. That definitely helped with putting the wig on, and I also feel like it's helping it feel more secure. Now it also is feeling secure, like I said, because of the unit being just a little bit small. I do feel personally like the unit runs a little bit smaller. I was just having a little bit of difficulty with keeping it down on my sides and making sure that it stayed forward and wasn't pulling back. It also took the flat iron very well. Well, it took the hot comb very well, which I am very pleased with, you guys, because you know I've had my experiences with some of the textured lace wigs not wanting to take heat very nicely. Now this one does of course say that it does claim that you can use up to 400 degrees on it, but I did go in with my hot comb, which like I always do is go with the lowest temperature as possible, which is 5 with my hot comb, which is not super duper hot, and it did the job and it lied my hair down very well. The roots did come a little bit thick once you take it out of the packaging, so I do think it might be necessary, if you don't like the thick root look, to make sure you have a hot comb or a flat iron or wand curler that can just lay those roots down a little bit for you. But other than that, the unit comes out perfectly. Besides that, I didn't add any extra curls to it. However, you can do so. I liked how the curls looked after I just combed them out. They were a little bit tight once you take them out of the packaging, packaging, but once you comb them out, I feel like they flow very nicely from being like a tight curl into a loose curl. The texture of this unit is absolutely A1. I love texturized units, and this one feels like a really nice natural texture. Like when I go out in public, these people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, I love your hair. You know how we be, you know how us girls be, okay? Women of color, people just seem to always think that they could put their hands in their hair, for one, which I absolutely hate, but they always say, oh my god, I love your hair. Is it yours? I get that question all the time. Or I get asked, the top question that I always get asked is, oh my god, you changed your hair so fast. How did you do that? I'm like, what do you mean? Like, I get that question all the freaking time. Like, I will literally go to work and I'll have a new hairstyle the next day, and they just think that I absolutely just grew my hair out or cut my hair off and it just automatically switched the next day. I don't know why people think that. But anyways, this is getting off topic. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean with those questions. They be out there. They be reaching with them questions, okay? But I love the left part as well. The left part looks absolutely amazing. I think that I usually go for a left part, so that's why I went with it this time. If you don't like your left parts, you can also do a right part with this wig. So they give you a lot of versatility with this unit, which is another pro of it. I don't think there are any cons with this unit. I definitely didn't have any issues with the unit whatsoever, besides those little side parts over there. I mean, but I don't necessarily think that's a con, because that could just be for me. It's not, it might not be happening for someone else who might have like a smaller head or something. Or, I mean, maybe it could be my braids. I'm really not sure what the issue is on that, but I'm going to work with it, play with it some more, and you know, it could be different the next time I wear the unit. You just never know. I'm going off a first impression. Definitely think it's something you should put in your wig collection, for sure. Outre, you did it again. So yeah guys, that is the end of today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this unit. I enjoyed it to the absolute most and fullest. This is now my new favorite wig for sure. Oh my gosh, love it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave me a thumbs up if you got to the end. Make sure you subscribe and comment as well, and hit the notification bell below as well, so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And also, if you feel like it, please make sure you follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok as well, because I'm super active on there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.